Welcome to Swift, a modern programming language crafted with precision and care by Apple. It's more than just a language, it's a gateway to creating amazing experiences on Apple's ecosystem. Swift is the driving force, the language powering your favorite iPhone and Mac apps. From the sleek interfaces to the complex functionalities, Swift makes it all possible. It's the language behind the apps you use every day, shaping the digital world around you. Launched by Apple in 2014, Swift was born out of a desire to create a more efficient, safer, and more enjoyable programming experience. It was a bold step forward, signaling a new era in Apple's development tools. The announcement at the Apple Developer Conference was met with excitement and anticipation. Swift was designed to be fast, offering incredible performance that rivals even C and Objective-C. This speed translates to smoother animations, quicker loading times, and an overall more responsive user experience. Performance is at the heart of Swift's design. Swift is also safe, with features that help you catch errors early and prevent common programming mistakes. Its strong type system and robust error handling mechanisms ensure that your code is reliable and secure. Safety is a paramount concern in Swift's architecture. And perhaps most importantly, Swift is easy to learn, even for those with no prior programming experience. Its clear syntax and intuitive structure make it an ideal language for beginners. The learning curve is gentle, allowing you to quickly grasp the fundamentals and start building your own apps. It replaced Objective-C, the previous primary language for Apple development, bringing a breath of fresh air to the Apple development community. Swift offered a more modern and streamlined approach to coding, making it easier to write and maintain complex applications. Swift is making app development more accessible and modern, empowering a new generation of developers to create innovative and engaging experiences. Its clean syntax and powerful features make it a joy to work with. Swift is open source, meaning its source code is publicly available and can be modified and distributed by anyone. This fosters collaboration and innovation within the developer community. Swift is open source, so anyone can contribute and improve it, ensuring that the language continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of the development landscape. The community plays a vital role in shaping the future of Swift. What sets Swift apart? What makes it the language of choice for so many developers? Let's delve into the key characteristics that define Swift and make it a truly exceptional programming language. It's safe, helping you avoid common mistakes and write more reliable code. Swift's safety features prevent memory leaks, null pointer exceptions, and other common pitfalls that can plague other programming languages. It's fast, making apps feel smooth and responsive, providing a delightful user experience. Swift's optimized compiler and runtime environment ensure that your apps perform at their best. And it's expressive, so code reads almost like English, making it easier to understand and maintain. Swift's clear and concise syntax allows you to express complex ideas in a simple and elegant way. Swift is the go-to language for building apps across all Apple platforms, from the smallest watch to the largest desktop computer. Its versatility and adaptability make it the perfect choice for any Apple device. iOS, macOS, the foundation of Apple's mobile and desktop ecosystems. Swift allows you to create seamless experiences across these platforms, watchOS and tvOS, extending the reach of your apps to the wrist and the living room. Swift empowers you to create innovative and engaging experiences on these emerging platforms. Learning Swift gives you access to a wealth of resources and opportunities, opening doors to a fulfilling and rewarding career in software development. Apple provides comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and sample code to help you master the language. Swift gives you access to Apple's powerful frameworks, a collection of pre-built components and tools that simplify the development process. These frameworks provide everything you need to create stunning user interfaces, access device features, and much more. These frameworks are for building user interfaces using device features like the camera and GPS and more. Swift empowers you to create apps that are both beautiful and functional. Getting started is simple, and you don't need any special equipment or prior knowledge. With just a few simple steps, you can be writing Swift code and building your own apps. All you need is a Mac and Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment. Xcode provides all the tools you need to write, debug, and test your Swift code. Xcode is Apple's free development environment, a powerful and intuitive tool that makes app development a breeze. It's the heart of the Apple development ecosystem. Xcode includes Playgrounds, an innovative feature that allows you to experiment with Swift code in a fun and interactive way. Playgrounds are the perfect way to learn Swift and explore its capabilities. Playgrounds are a fun way to experiment with Swift code and see the results of your code in real time. It's like having a live coding environment where you can instantly see the impact of your changes. With Playgrounds, you can see results instantly, making it easy to learn and experiment with new concepts. The instant feedback loop accelerates the learning process and makes coding more engaging. You don't need to build a full app to start learning Swift. Playgrounds allow you to focus on the fundamentals without the complexity of a full-fledged project. Just type and see what happens, exploring the language and its capabilities in a safe and controlled environment. Playgrounds encourage experimentation and discovery. Playgrounds make learning interactive and engaging, turning coding from a chore into a fun and rewarding experience. The interactive nature of Playgrounds keeps you motivated and encourages you to explore further. Swift opens the door to a massive ecosystem of tools and opportunities, empowering you to create amazing things and pursue your dreams. The Swift ecosystem is constantly growing and evolving, providing you with endless possibilities. Ready to dive in? Are you excited to start your Swift journey and unlock your potential as a developer? The world of Swift awaits. Let's get started. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together and discover the power of Swift. Why do professionals from seasoned veterans to rising stars consistently choose Swift for their most ambitious projects? What makes this language so compelling, so universally admired in the world of app development? 3 core reasons stand out: the pillars upon which Swift's reputation is built: speed, blazingly fast execution that allows your apps to perform at their peak; safety, a robust system that actively prevents errors and safeguards your code; and simplicity, a clean, intuitive syntax that makes coding a breeze. Swift is meticulously built for performance, engineered from the ground up to deliver exceptional speed and efficiency. It harnesses the power of the LLVM compiler, a sophisticated tool known for its ability to optimize code. This compiler takes your human-readable code and transforms it into lightning-fast machine instructions, optimized for the specific hardware it's running on. This meticulous compilation process means apps launch in the blink of an eye and run with remarkable smoothness, delivering a seamless user experience, even when tackling demanding tasks like graphically intensive games or complex photo editing applications. Safety isn't an afterthought, it's built directly into the core of Swift's intelligent compiler proactively catches errors before your app even has a chance to run, identifying potential problems early in the development cycle. This proactive error detection prevents unexpected crashes and saves you countless hours of tedious debugging, allowing you to focus on building great features. Its robust type safety system ensures you can't accidentally mix up different data types, a common source of frustrating bugs in other languages. This rigorous type checking significantly reduces the likelihood of bugs creeping into your code. Swift's clean, modern syntax is a breath of fresh air, designed for readability and clarity. This emphasis on readability makes code easier to understand and maintain over time, a crucial advantage for teamwork and the long-term success of complex projects, where code needs to be understood and modified by multiple developers. Apple's unwavering commitment and strong support means Swift is constantly evolving and improving, with regular updates and enhancements. This commitment is backed by comprehensive documentation, powerful Xcode tools, and a wealth of Apple developer resources. Learning Swift is more than just acquiring a new skill, it's an investment in your future, opening doors to a rewarding career as an app developer in the thriving Apple ecosystem. The vibrant and supportive Swift community, combined with Apple's continuous backing, makes it a smart and reliable choice for developers of all levels. With Swift, you're not just building apps, you're building better apps, developing them faster, ensuring they're safer, and creating a superior user experience. That's why it's not just a language. It's the language of choice for Apple development, the key to unlocking the full potential of the Apple ecosystem. Alright, let's dive right in and write some Swift code. We're about to embark on a journey into the world of variables, constants, and data types. This is where the magic begins, where you start to breathe life into your apps. So, fire up your Xcode, get your fingers ready, and let's get coding. In Swift, as in most programming languages, you'll use variables and constants as fundamental tools to store data. Think of them as containers that hold different types of information your app needs to function. They are the foundation upon which you'll build your app's logic and functionality. To declare a variable, you use the keyword. Variables are designed for values that can change during the execution of your program. A classic example is a game score. On the other hand, to declare a constant, You use the keyword. Constants are for values that stay the same throughout the program's lifetime. Once assigned, their value cannot be altered. A good example of a constant is a player's name. Once a player is assigned a name, it typically doesn't change during the game. For instance, and later on you might update the score. One of Swift's convenient features is that it often figures out data types automatically, saving you some typing. This process is called type inference. Swift intelligently deduces the type of data based on the value you assign. Let's look at some common data types, for text, for whole numbers, for decimals, and for true, false values. However, you can also specify types explicitly, which is often good practice for clarity and control. This is known as type annotation. For example, or, and, using constants whenever possible makes your code safer and easier to reason about. It prevents accidental modification of values that should remain constant. Mastering variables, constants, and data types is your first crucial step in Swift programming. It's like learning the alphabet before writing a novel. These are the fundamental building blocks for every app you'll create, from simple utilities to complex, feature-rich applications. Understanding them well will set you up for success in your Swift development journey. Apps make decisions using control flow. The statement checks if a condition is true, then runs code. var score equals sign 95 if score. 90 print, congratulations, you earned an A grade. Add to handle other cases, if score. 90 print A or else print keep trying. For multiple options use, let grade equal sign B switch grade, case A print excellent, case B print good job, case C print you passed. Default print see your teacher. Functions let you group code and reuse it, no more repeating yourself. Define a function with, give it a name and add code inside curly braces. Func show welcome, print, welcome to my app. Call it with show welcome. Functions can take parameters to customize behavior. Func show personalized welcome name string, print welcome name, show personalized welcome name Alice, show personalized welcome name Bob. Functions make your code cleaner, more flexible, and easier to maintain. To model complex things, use classes and structs. Swift's blueprints for data. Structs are simple, group-related properties together. Struct book, let title string, let author, string var pages, int var my book equals sign book title, The Hobbit, author, J.R.R. Tolkien, pages 310. Print, my favorite book is mybook.title by mybook.author. Classes are similar but support inheritance. One class can build on another. Class employee, let name string, init name string, self.name equals sign name, func do work, print, I'm working. Class manager employee override func do work, print, I'm managing my team. Use structs for simple data, classes for more complex relationships. Sometimes data might be missing. Swift handles this with optionals. An optional can hold a value or nil, no value. Declare an optional with a question mark, var age input, string, equal sign, 30 inches. To safely use an optional, unwrap it with, if let age equals sign age input, print, user's age is age. Else, print, no age provided. Use the nil coalescing operator to provide a default var nickname string. Equal sign nil let display name equal sign nickname, guest print, welcome, display name. Optionals help prevent crashes from missing data. Swift is type safe, it prevents you from mixing up data types. If a variable is an, you can't assign it to it. This catches errors before your app runs. Example, var my number int equal sign 42, var my string. String equal sign hello / let result equal sign my number plus my string / error. Let result equal sign string my number plus my string print result / prints 42 hello. Type safety makes your code more reliable and easier to debug. You've learned the basics. What's next? Practice by building your own simple apps. Explore Apple's Swift documentation and tutorials. Learn Swift UI to build user interfaces. Join the Swift community online for support and inspiration. Be patient. Learning to code takes time and persistence. Break problems into small steps and celebrate your progress. Keep coding, keep learning, and you'll become a Swift pro.